In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance the clarity of your audio clips using the Essential Sound panel. Whether you're polishing a podcast or refining a video project, mastering these skills will give your audio a professional quality that stands out. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to select the audio clip you wish to improve within your timeline. This is the foundation upon which we'll build, so make sure you choose the segment that needs the most attention. Once you've got your clip ready, head over to the top menu bar and click on Window. From the drop-down menu, select Essential Sound. This will bring up the Essential Sound panel, a powerful tool designed to help you get your audio sounding its best with minimal hassle. Next, within the Essential Sound panel, you need to categorize your clip. For most spoken content, you'll want to label it as dialogue. This categorization is crucial because it ensures that the software applies the most appropriate processing settings for spoken word, helping distinguish and enhance the clarity of human speech. Moving on, you'll find yourself in the Repair section of the Essential Sound panel. Here's where the magic happens. Start by enabling the Reduce Noise option. This feature helps to filter out background sounds that can distract from the primary dialogue. Once activated, you'll be greeted by a slider. Adjusting this slider will determine how aggressive the noise reduction should be. Listen carefully while playing back your clip as you make these adjustments. The goal is to minimize background noise effectively, but with a subtle hand, so as to not affect the natural quality of the voice you're working to highlight. You also have the option to enable other features like Reduce Rumble or De-hum, which can be particularly helpful if your audio suffers from low-frequency disturbances. These additional options are useful tools at your disposal, especially in scenarios where you're dealing with more specific types of noise issues. Now, the true test of your adjustments is in the playback. Listen keenly to ensure the background noise diminishes without making the voice sound unnatural or distorted. It's like balancing a fine wine, not too much, not too little. Finding that sweet spot may take some experimentation, as excessive noise reduction can lead to a hollow or warped sound in the voice. There you have it. With these techniques, you'll have cleaner and more professional-sounding dialogue in your audio projects. These skills will not only enhance your current work, but equip you with the knowledge to handle future audio editing tasks with confidence.